Hi everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel Start to Success. Our topic is number system. In previous video we have discussed how we can convert a hexadecimal number to a decimal number, where we first convert the hexadecimal number to binary number and then to decimal number. And in this video we will discuss how we can convert a decimal number to hexadecimal number. The method we will follow is repeated division of a decimal number by 16 will produce the equivalent hexadecimal number formed by the remainders of the division. So the decimal number will be repeatedly divided by 16 and the remainder will be produced. These remainders will help us to convert this number to hexadecimal. The first remainder produced is the least significant digit. So we will solve it with the help of different examples so that we can clearly understand it. The first example is we are supposed to convert 740 base 10 to hexadecimal. As its base is 10, so this is a decimal number and we will convert it into hexadecimal. So we will follow this table. In this table, our first column is division. Here we will perform the division. Here we will write the result and here we will write the remainders. First number is 740. We will divide 740 with 16. The result will be 46 and the remainder will be 4. Then this 46 will be again divided by 16, as we have discussed here that the repeated division of a decimal number by 16. So the decimal number will be divided by 16 again and again until we get 0. So 46 will be divided with 16 and then 16 2s are 32. The result will be 2 and the remainder will be 14. As we are converting the number from decimal to hexadecimal, in hexadecimal we will not write 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Instead we will write A, B, C, D and E, as I have told in the previous video. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. 10 is equals to A in hexadecimal, 11 is equals to B, 12 is equals to C, 13 is equals to D, 14 is equals to E and 15 is equals to F. So 14 is equals to E. We will not write 14, instead we will write E. Then again this 2 will be divided with 16. Now the result will be 0 and the remainder will be 2. So the number is completely divided and we get all these remainders. Now we will write these remainders in the backward direction. So the first will be 2, then E and then 4. 2E4 and base will be 16. So 240 in decimal is equals to 2E4 in hexadecimal. So this number is converted into hexadecimal number. Here is another example in which we will convert a number that is 93419, which is a decimal number, and we are supposed to convert it into a hexadecimal number. Again we will follow the table where the first column is of division, the second column is of result and the third column is of remainder. Now this number will be divided by 16 and we will get 5838 as a result and the remainder will be 11, which is equal to B in hexadecimal. Now this number will again divided by 16. 5838 divided by 16 is equals to 364 and the remainder will be 14 and 14 is equals to E in hexadecimal. Now this number will again divided by 16. Now we will get 22 as a result and the remainder will be 12, The 12 is equals to C in hexadecimal. So we will not write 12, but instead we will write C. Now again this 22 will be divided by 16. Now 16 ones are 16. The result is 1 and the remainder will be 6. 6 is equals to 6 in hexadecimal. So we will write here just 6. Now 1 divided by 16. 16 zeros are 0 and the 1 will be remainder. So we get all these remainders by dividing this number again and again with 16 until we get 0 in the result. Okay, now we get all these remainders and these remainders will be written in the opposite direction, in the backward direction. First we will write 1, then 6, then C instead of 12, then E instead of 14, and then B instead of 11. So this number will be converted into hexadecimal. This is the number and the result is 1, 6, C, 14 is equals to E and then B. And this is the decimal number, so its base is 10, and this is the hexadecimal number, so its base will be 16. Now this number is converted into hexadecimal. So we will follow the method, that is to repeatedly divide this decimal number with 16, and then we will write these remainders in this backward direction with base 16, and this is the method to convert a decimal number to hexadecimal number. In the next video we will see how we can convert a binary number to octal number system. So thank you guys for watching this video. Stay tuned to my YouTube channel for more related videos.